So, test natin. Army Armament Alpha Y or R601-3. So, ayan yung code niya. Ito yung box. So, shoutout kay Boss Lorraine. Saan niya tong unit? With the TTI markings. May base pad na rin for scope attachment. Combat Master. May compensator na rin. Threaded. Under rail for attachment. Magazine na 40 rounds. Textured grip with magwell na TTI markings. With TTI markings. Karoon na check natin. Price is 8,500. So ito lang yung kasama niya sa box. Karoon na check. 376, 377. Naka-hammer pad protection na rin pala. So for more details, PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby PH. Thank you kay boss.